Hello, I'm Pearl Naomi, a fashion enthusiast and a very good creative fashion illustrator. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I'll be making videos that will take you through your step-by-step journey into creating your own fashion styles and illustration, even as a beginner. Yeah, even as a beginner. Expect videos on fashion croquis, fashion illustration, on manual fashion illustration that's using your pencil, and on digital fashion illustration using your digital resources. Yeah, and many more. Remember to like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so you would not miss out on any of my videos that comes your way weekly. Thank you. Bye.